On a Mission. And this is the first song I wrote, I guess, 7, 8 years ago when I spent about 5 or 6 months in Hawaii. And this journey really changed my life and inspired me musically. And I wrote this song about my mission of life. So this one's called On a Mission. This is a very sweaty version of the song, by the way. Is calling me straight. Feels like the ocean breeze. But then my track on one come on say, come forth. On a mission for personal sovereignty. Whoa, I sweet breath of humanity say, I'm akin to Hawaii. Dear love, air travel like with me. Rainbow bridge over the sea. On a mission for personal sovereignty. On a mission to dance with the mystery. On a mission to give unconditionally. On a mission to spread love and light for free. On a mission for personal sovereignty. His stories riddled with sin. So listen my friend, cause we borrowed his skin. Destined for soils again. We're now confronting our fear, sweeping them clean. Focus in on the dream. Listen to these. I never knew myself until I planted my bare feet in the soil. How could I love myself? Deep in my defenses, I swore by the sheep. Drop off the armor and bear with the key. I now embrace myself. I see my brother looking missing with better within a second. Naturality keeping my presence very imminent. Steady consolation, embraces and women. The secret that is spinning up like you with the children. Living in the chicken with the queen every door. Planning every person to just sit in the middle. Beloved with the heat and make it cheap for the better. With every mission when we come and look at the war. My people, your love is calling me in. Feels like the ocean breeze. Come together, my tribe, come one, come all day. Come for free, on a mission for personal sovereignty. Whoa! Sweet breath of unity, for Oregon to Hawaii. Dear love for air travel light with me. A rainbow bridge over the sea. On a mission for personal sovereignty. Who's with me? On a mission to dance with the mystery. On a mission to give unconditionally. On a mission to spread love and light for free. I'm on a mission for personal sovereignty. Okay. friends, in this life we are all well aware how easy it is to go seeking love for outside of ourselves, to get lost in the noise, to lose our center, to lose our presence, to succumb to the system, the pressures of life. But I'm here to remind you that special thing, that space of unconditional love that resides within each and every one of us. And it's important to remember in these moments of disconnection that the door is open. We gotta walk through it, you know? Sing it with me, ready? Walk through the open door, say. Walk through the open door. 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 I'm bringing my love inside, gonna walk through the open door. My family made me here to walk through the open door. Unconditional love is made in a walk through the open door. Try love is calling me to walk through the open door. That place we walk through the open door. Love is just waiting for you to walk through the open door. 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 Sweaty takes, man.